Angles of chisel. The correct point or angle of inclination of the chisel depends on the material to be chipped. Therefore, sharp angles are given for soft materials and wide angles for hard materials. The correct point and inclination angle generate the right rake and clearance angles. Rake angle. The rake angle is between the top face of the cutting point and normal 90 degrees to the work surface at the cutting edge. Clearance angle. Clearance angle is the angle between the bottom face of the point and the tangent to the work surface originating at the cutting edge. Suppose the rake angle increases when the clearance angle is too low or zero. The cutting edge cannot penetrate the work. The chisel will slip. If the clearance angle is too great, the rake angle reduces. As a result, the cutting edge digs in and the cut will become deeper and deeper. The correct point angle and angle of inclination for different materials used for chipping are different. Crowning. A slight convexity is given to the cutting edge of a flat chisel called crowning to prevent the digging of corners or the ends of the cutting edge, which leads to the breakage of the chisel point. Crowning allows the chisel to move freely along a straight line while chipping. Care and maintenance. Sharpen. Apply oil to avoid rust. Don't use mushroom head chisel. Use safety goggles while chipping. While chipping, no greasy subject on the head of the chisel. In this video, we have learned about the angles of chisel. Thank you.